Hi girls. Okay. So this is part 4. Okay, I will continue with the example 11. Okay, so for this example, similar to example 10 actually, but the difference is it gives you in the in the form of situation. Okay, real life situation compared to this direct question, right? Direct question. Okay, this is in terms of situation. Okay, so let's read carefully. The gravitational potential energy E of an object varies directly as its mass. The gravitational acceleration and its position of height from the ground. Given that E197 when M is 4, G 9.81, H is 5. Write an equation that relates E, M, G, and H. So for this case, you already know that the question want you to do it until step 4 because you need to write the equation. So you need to find the value of K. Okay, so let's do step 1. Okay, write in the form of relation. E varies directly as, refer the green color highlight, directly as mass, and then G, and also H. So the second step, write in equation form. E equals to kmgh. The third step, to find the value of K, refer to the purple highlight. Okay, E is 197 equals to K, you don't know. M is 4. G is 9.81 while H is 5. Okay, so you can do one by one. Okay, use your calculator. You can calculate 4 times 9.81 times 5 is equals to 196.2K. So K is actually equals to 197 divided by 196.2. Okay, so you can use your calculator. 197 divide by the answer I got now, 196.2, so equals to 1.0040774272. Okay, so for this case you can uh, estimate, do the estimation is equals to 1. Okay, so you can write, okay, the fourth step, you write the relation in the form of equation. E is equals to M G H because the K is equals to 1. So this is how you solve question 11. Next, I'll go to the next example, example 12. Okay, three quantities S, T, and U vary as shown in the table on the right. It is given that S varies directly as T and the cube root of U. Okay, so okay, we need to take note. Okay, it said that S varies directly as T and cube root of U. Okay, so be careful. It has cube root there. Calculate the values of X and Y. So here is X, here is Y. So for your information, here got 3. Okay, here got 3 pairs. Okay, 1 pairs. Sorry, wait. Okay, use yellow. 1 pairs. Okay, 2 pairs. And the third pairs. Okay, the pairs of values. S is equal to 6. S equals to 6 when T equal to 0.8 in U is 27. S equal to X when T is 1.2, U is 1 to 5. S is equal to 50 when T is 40 and U is Y. So there are 3 pairs of values. Okay. So how to solve this question? Okay, we refer back to our note just now. It said that S varies directly as T and the cube root of U. So cube root of U is cube root of U like this. Okay, now we can write it in the form of equation. K T cube root of U. And then the third step is to find the value of K. So to find the value of K, you can choose any pair from here, but make sure you know all the values. So for this case, we can use the first pair because we know S when we know the value of S, value T, and value U. So you must use this one. We cannot use the second and third pair because we don't know X and Y. Okay, so I use the first pair. S equals to 6 when T is equals to 0.8 and U is equals to 27. Okay, so from here, okay, is equals to 0.8 times cube root. So the cube root is here. Cube root 27. So I'll get 2.4. So 6 is equals to 2.4. K. That means K is equals to 6 over 2.4 equals to, okay, 6 equals 6 divided by 2.4 is equals to 2.5. So I already know that K is equals to 2.5. So this is the first step, the second step, the third step. Okay, now the fourth step, okay, we write it in the form of equation. Rewrite the equation as equals to 2.5 T cube root U. So now the question asks you to calculate the value of X and Y. So you need the fifth step. Okay, so the fifth step is you substitute the pair. Okay, to find X, you must substitute the second pair. To find Y, you must substitute the second and the third pair. Okay, so we solve X first. Okay, S is X, 2.5, T is 1.2, and U is 125. Okay, so for this case, okay, I can straight away do the calculation. X is equals to 2.5 times 1.2 times cube root 125 equals to 15. So I know that X equals to 15. And to find Y, okay, I redo the step, okay, the previous step just now, like finding X. I substitute the value. S is 50. Okay, S is 50 equals to K is 2.5, T is 40, U we don't know, it is Y. Okay, so 2.5 times 40 is equals to 100. So I know here that 50 equals to 100 cube root y. So to find cube root y is equals to 50 divided by 100. Okay, so 50 divided by 100 is 1 over 2, right? Okay. Okay, so 50 divided by 100 is equal to 0.5, or you can write it as fraction 1 over 2. So I will continue here. Cube root y equals to 1 over 2. But remember, we want to find y. So to find y, you must do cube, okay, at the right side. Okay, cube. Okay, why? Because we want to find y. So this one, when we make it cube here, this and this we can cancel, but make sure you do cube at the right side too. Okay, so Here I know y is equals to 1 over 8. So the answer is y equals to 1 over 8. X is equals to 15. Okay.